off right there. Top bolts are off. Got to do the other side still. Just started. I'm going to show the first one.
The bottom bolt?
Yeah. Try not to hit too hard.
I wonder if there's a buffer I could use so I'm not fucking
No, that's good. Alright, so the easiest way to actually pull the stock strut and spring out is to turn the front wheels inboard, depending on which side. So right side turn left, left side turn right. And it'll give you enough room for somebody to stand on this so you can pull the top back up into this gap and just drop it out. Just like that. So it's just the one bolt at the bottom, 3 bolts at the top, and then there was 2 wires that were in these. You just pull them out of the strut, just holding them in place so they don't get hit by the wheel. And then there was one 12 mil holding the brake lines back and out of the way. It was like that on both sides. Fairly simple, you know, it's coilovers.
halfway through the coilover install in the front end right now.
I'll keep them on what's happening in the back.
I will.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm getting this side in too. Cooper's working on pulling this out.
You gotta step on this
wire on the front.
Step on it.
And then we did run into a little bit of an issue on the back. So the rear was pretty easy to get out. It was just these 2 bolts and then this bolt. But with this bolt, we found that the bushing, there's a little metal ring on the inside that goes around the bolt itself that has rusted to the bolt, and it's seized in there. So we're gonna have to get new bushings and a new bolt. We're gonna have to cut the bolt out and pull this whole assembly off so we can press this bushing out and put in a new bushing. And that happened on the other side too. So that's where we're pretty much done in the rear for tonight. We also took these springs out because it was coil and spring. We're converting it to true coilover, so it's just going to be this coilover right here. So you can see right here, I don't know if it's showing up too good on the camera, but here, leave the light. But this is the threaded part. This side is not threaded, but it was so seized in there that it actually bent this part out. And that's about as far as we could get it tonight. We're gonna cut them tomorrow. Hopefully get everything out of there and everything back set up. Yeah.
It's seized, it's seized.
Where's that hammer at?
SC is looking dashing right now. First night of the coilovers is done. Swapping the bushings tomorrow. Shouldn't take that long. It'll look good. Then hosting car meet right after. Should be some dope cars there. Coilovers are on now. We didn't record any of it because we just wanted to rush through it, or not really rush through it, but just get it done. We had all the proper things to do it on car, so we cut and air hammered the old bushing out and pressed the new one in without having to take the whole knuckle off, and then just 3 bolts to put the coilover on each side. Got the ride height set. Still need to align it, but I'll just do that next week. Looking good.
Sweet JDM goodness.
Let me see if I can find some good
Give
drawings.
me a good diagram.
I wish I had some like cool stuff like that in my car, but like I just have the Holy Grail book.
Yeah, the Lexus like Bible book that they give us for this is way different than this.
It's more serious and less like cartoony.
less like you're like buying like a doll or something.
Yeah, it's like all the tiny things of the car.
Yeah, like literally like little cartoon version of the car.
That looks pretty cool. Actually, that'll make a good sticker.
That would.
Like, man, most of this thing, the cassette, whatever loader, it was fucked up. So now it's like a carrier for like random maintenance stuff you can do on the road.
Did yours have the CD player in the trunk?
Yeah.
Okay, but you took it out?
Yeah, it was fucked up.
Yeah. Mine's not fucked up though, but I have known people that like rain gets in that or something like that. Does yours even have the antenna?
No. What? It does not. It's all like smooth. I was observing that. Yeah, that shit is outrageous.
What the fuck?
Okay. I saw it. No, we saw this thing the other day.
Have you ever seen Clockwork Orange?
What's that?
Clockwork Orange.
Yeah, I have.
Car from Clockwork Orange.
That's in that?
No,
Oh.
it's not
I was
that
like,
car,
what?
but it's like very similar. That's the.
Well, if I almost swapped that, I would have. Hey, your car. Like our clothes. Just buy it. Just take the mirror tint off.
It's just because there's no light on it.
Why would I want to get rid of it? I'm trying to find a good shoe.